Hello everyone, welcome back to another Tip Tuesday. Every Tuesday, short vids. Well, let's just hope so, don't really know. I got new nails, do we like them? I went for like a burgundy. You can't see them because my face is focusing. Ooh, hello. So today I'm doing a contouring video. Now I do my contouring, let's say maybe every time I go out, like going out like clubbing, dinners, things like that. I don't really do contouring day to day. I usually just use a bronzer day to day. So I've started off by prepping my face. I've done my moisturizer, my primer, my NARS Sheer Glow foundation, bit of brows, and also a bit of eyeliner and a bit of mascara. But let's get started. So I'm starting off with my lightest product first, and that is my Naked Skin Neutral Fair Concealer, and I'm gonna put this anywhere where I want to highlight on my face. So that's gonna be under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on the top of my Cupid's bow, and maybe a little bit on my forehead as well. This is when you start to get a little bit crazy. So I'm gonna do a straight down line down the middle of the nose. And I'm going to go up the forehead. I like to do like a little triangle every time. Yeah, starting to look a little crazy. Then we're going to go under the eyes. Another triangle. Then Cupid's bow. And then that's going to just enhance everything. And I'm going to blend that out with a damp beauty blender. Let's get blending. And I'm making sure to blend it all the way out so it's pretty seamless. Next, for my contour shade, I'm taking the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and this is in Caramel. I've used this a lot. I think I actually need to purchase a new tube because I'm running out. And I'm just gonna add this into the hollows of the cheeks. I know, it's gonna look pretty crazy. Then I'm going to do the other cheek. So I'm just doing that like on the cheekbone. Then I'm doing my forehead and kind of taking it in a 3. So that's where the middle of the 3 is. And then I'm taking it down to the bottom of the jaw. So you have a little mini 3. Isn't that a pretty 3? I mean, I could have done better on that one, couldn't I? Yes. So I'm doing it on the forehead to make the forehead look slimmer, and then I'm doing it here to add dimension to the cheeks, and then we're just going to finish off by doing the other side, and then down the bottom of the jawline. Then I'm going to also do it down the sides of the nose, making sure to keep it pretty straight. That's my war paint. Or maybe just a bit on the sides here. Then I look pretty. Yes. Now to blend this all out, I'm going to take my Real Techniques buffing brush, but I'm leaving the nose on for now. So I'm just going to buff out and buff kind of upwards and blend out what I've done so far. I know it looks kind of crazy for now. And of course my hair's coming out at the same time, isn't it? Yes, it is. I feel like it looks so much crazier in the camera than it does in person. And actually, before I blend it completely out, I'm going to go in with my lighter concealer and just add some of my lighter concealer here on each side so that there is still some highlight left in between. And then blending out, trying to get no harsh lines of where I initially applied the product. Now for under the jawline, I am just pushing the product, the darker product, onto the ears as well as under the jaw. You don't want to bring it up, you want to take it down. Take it downtown. Yes. So now I'm just blending out any of the lighter product that's left over, like here. I'm blending that out with just a Real Techniques small shadow brush, so that there's a sharp line between the contours. Taking it a bit on the chin to highlight the chin. Now for the nose, I'm going to blend out the lighter colour first, and then I'm going to go down the sides with the contour shade, and I'm going to blend that out as much as I can. And now I'm just going to go over all of it with a damp beauty blender again. So everywhere I've put some sort of product, I'm just going to blend it out with a damp beauty blender. Taking it up the hairline, making sure it's all in there, making sure all my baby hairs are being annoying. Now I'm just going in with my normal Clarins Instant Light Concealer, because this concealer has added a bit of depth, but I want it a little bit brighter. So I'm just going in with my usual concealer and my beauty blender again and just blending that out. Next, I'm taking a cream highlighter. This is the Natasha Denona Face Glow Cream Shimmer in medium 2. And I'm going to run that on the tops of the cheeks, the middle of the nose, and a cupid's bow. And then with the other side of my beauty blender, the side that I haven't used, I'm just gonna blend that out. But you can also use your finger, which is something I usually tend to do instead. And now, hopefully before my concealer creases under my eyes, I'm going to set it. Now I'm going to do a technique called baking, and I'm going to take a Real Techniques setting brush and my Laura Mercier translucent powder, quite a large amount of powder, and I'm just going to dab wherever I've put my concealer. More powder, dab. Also down the middle of the nose, forehead, and also down the side of the cheeks. And then I'm gonna let that set for about 5 minutes. Usually while that's setting, I do something like my brows or my eyes, and then after like 5 minutes, I kind of just wipe it away, just sweep it off. Usually quite a lot of powder can come flying off. Then I'm going to set the rest of my face with my Hourglass Dim Light Ambient Lighting Powder and my Trish McAvoy brush. I'm going to take a bit of this, put it on the forehead. Next, I'm going to finish off the rest of my skin with my Too Faced Iced Tea Bronzer. I don't know if it's iced tea, sweet tea, something like that. And I'm just going to add depth to wherever I did my contouring. Then on a smaller MAC brush, this is just like a small blush brush, I'm just swirling around the product and I'm just doing the sides of my nose. Next, I'm going in with my highlighter on my Anastasia brush. The highlighter is the Dose of Colours Desi Katy collection, and it is in Mirame. And I am just doing it on the side of my cheeks. Ooh, very highlightery today. Then down the middle of the nose, on the cupid's bow. Hello, lips. Don't they look great? And then on the other cheek. Next, I'm just finishing off with my Charlotte Tilbury Ecstasy blush and my Sonia Kashuk brush, I'm gonna say it is. I got it as a gift from America, so I can't really remember what number it is or things like that, but it is a Sonia Kashuk brush, and I'm just going to add a little bit of blush. And then I'm setting the face and also getting rid of any cakiness that is on the face from like my setting and my baking on the face, which can sometimes leave it a little bit cakey. So I'm just going to spritz my face with MAC Fix Plus, fan favorite here. So this is my final look. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. See you on Friday. Bye. Mm.